when it comes to preparing environments for customers, let's say you have a customer and they need this nice, stylistic, large, open office space because you're recording a talking head type of interview for a customer. Or let's say you're doing a show and you need something more dynamic and more quirky and so on. There are a variety of ways to get an environment made, created, and set up for a customer, a 3D environment. We'll start with probably the most intense in terms of time spent and knowledge and skills and so on. And that is you, either yourself, gaining the skills to create 3D assets. Let's say we're talking about this office space. The client comes in with certain requirements, and then you go in and you figure out what kind of elements you want to build, a bunch of desks with chairs, computers. You want to put like some sort of brick wall, some large windows. You either know how to use something like Blender and you kind of like sculpt all of these three elements, or you hire a 3D artist to build that in Blender. It really depends also on the budget of that project, because that is the most time consuming and the most expensive. To build absolutely everything, to sculpt everything from scratch in 3D. Now, there's ways around that, where nowadays you also have AI tools that allow you to prompt and create 3D elements that you can then export and import into Unreal Engine. Let's say you still want that customization and you're comfortable in arranging and building an environment in Unreal Engine, but you don't want to spend the time, you don't have the skills, and you don't want to spend the money on hiring a 3D artist. And also, you don't want to spend the time in generating with AI because that requires time as well. Well, there is a marketplace called fab.com, which is the Epic Games marketplace for Unreal Engine, where you can find 3D assets that are already built and you just have to buy them. You'll see here, I have on the screen, there's these more rustic looking 3D assets that are already not just 3D, but they have texture, associated material density, translucency, and all of this stuff that you will be able to just import in Unreal Engine and then basically position them in your environment. Again, when you're sculpting something in Blender or something like that, you get a shape, but then you have to bring it in Unreal Engine and give it some texture, some pattern texture of that specific piece of furniture or whatnot object in your environment. If you want to skip all of that and you don't care about the uniqueness of your elements in your 3D world, that's another option. Because you can go in and say, start building the walls. You have basic shapes in Unreal Engine, so you can build walls, spheres, circles, triangles, a variety of shapes. So you can start building the walls of your office, of your whatever room where you want to film, and then apply textures. You can download textures like wall textures, various patterns for the flooring and so on, and you can apply that, and then you can start buying and importing furniture and assets from the Fab marketplace. You'll find it as Quixel Megascans. That's part of Fab. That's where you find the most 3D elements. Import them and then arrange them. Bear in mind, this approach still will take time because you're drawing and arranging everything, the room and everything, and potentially cash money. Because one, you can find free elements on Fab. You might find a free chair or two free chair type of chairs. But the type of chair that you might want that stylistically fits into your environment, you might actually have to pay. And you might get a chair like this that's 1.8 pounds or dollars. You might want a piece of radiator that's 2.7. And all of that adds up when you want things that are a bit more stylized, that fit into your environment. The stuff that's free, like there's a lot of people that use the free stuff. So there's going to be a lot of environments and a lot of stuff that looks the same. You'll see the same chair in multiple projects. And if you want something more bespoke, you have to pay for it. But there's another option. If you have a tiny bit of cash, and I mean a tiny bit of cash, not much, you can actually buy an entire environment. If your customer, they just have a specific style in mind, and they don't have very, very rigid and specific requirements. I want a mirror here. I want the windows to be like this. I want the chair there. I want furniture to be in this shape, and I want this style, and so on. If they don't have that many requirements, but they just give you a stylistic guide, you can also find pre-made environments that you can buy and download and run in Unreal Engine. And we have a bunch of them here that we've used in some of our projects that you recognize, including this environment, which is basically our library, where you can see this is already pre-built. All of these desks, computers, the big windows, the outside. If you find the right environment, right, like we have our environment here, we just had to set it up, tweak a couple of things, and we're ready. I'll give you another example for that we've worked on for a client, which is this nice office, this nice kind of like house, which we kind of made it look transformed a bit, looking into an office. We remove some of the things, and that's the beauty of having already made environments. You pay a bit for them, but usually you're looking at $30, $40, $50, $100 for an environment max, and then you have all of the nice textures and the layout that Unreal Engine and 3D artist put together for you. And then you can modify things. Like for example, we removed for this project these pillars here, because you can. The ceiling is not going to fall on you. That's the beauty of working with a 3D environment. You can quickly delete items, shift items around, like a lamp or a computer or a desk. You can move it more to the left, more to the right with a drag and drop, and rearrange your scene properly. This has been our go-to for smaller projects that don't have the budget to pay for something that is completely bespoke. The other option, if your customer has the budgets, you can use a company that builds bespoke environments based on your criteria. And that could be you give them some reference pictures, you create some videos and pictures in with AI, you have them approved by your client, and then you provide all of the reference information to the company. The company that we've worked with is Virtual Division. They are brilliant not only at replicating the reference, right? So we gave them high fidelity reference, for example, for a shot that we had, which was more stylistic with some dancing hats. They also produced for us the Red Flag Roulette show that we're hosting, and they've done a brilliant job. I actually generated a bunch of pictures with AI and then made some videos to show the environment a bit. And I told them, this is exactly what I want. And they built the environment exactly how I wanted it, how it looked in those AI generated videos. And also they made it functional. So we have a bunch of elements that are moving, a wheel that's turning, a screen that's turning on with pictures, lights moving around. They've done all of that. So they're really good at creating environments, at making mechanics in your environments, as well as making very optimized for virtual production environments. If and when you get a client with the right budgets and can spend the money for a custom environment that has a bunch of custom actions and interactions and so on, just know that working with people like Virtual Division, you also get a very optimized environment that will run properly on your computer and will run at least one camera angle tracked, if not 2 or 3, depending on also the power of your computer. So that is very important as well.